Alright guys, first video for today will be how to import your own sprites and backgrounds into Scratch for you to use in your game. So let's say I want to make a game that has my daughter's face in it. So on this screen, when you hover over the cat head, you have this little upload sprite button. So when you click that, it'll open up your pictures. And let's see, those are yearbook pictures, so I don't want to use those. Let's go with this. So let's say that's the sprite I want. I hit the import button. I wait because it takes a while to import, and it will bring it into here. Now their sprite is as big as my entire screen right now, so I'm going to shrink that down to 25%. And while I have my daughters, I also have the background of our fireplace, and I don't really want that. So there is a website that you can go to called removebg. BG stands for background. And you can choose the picture that you want to use. Hit open, and it will do its best to remove the background so that all you have is the people. So that worked pretty well. I'm going to hit download. It comes down here into my downloads folder. Back in Scratch, I'm going to delete the original one. Now when I upload the sprite, I'm going to get it from my downloads folder. That's what it's called. It will always have the -removebg -preview in the name. Hit open. There they are. Wonderful, beautiful sprites that my daughters make. Alright, you can also do this with a backdrop. So let's say I'm going to make a Harry Potter game, and I need a Hogwarts background. So I can type in Hogwarts, go to Images. This one will make a pretty good backdrop. Right click, Save Image As, or you can snip it, completely up to you. I'm going to leave it on my desktop. Come back into Scratch and upload that. There's my Hogwarts castle. And it's kind of little right now, so I need to convert to vector, because right now it's a bitmap. That'll give me the box, and then I can stretch it and make it big enough to fill my screen. Beautiful. Now I can play in front of Hogwarts. So that's how you get your own sprites and backgrounds into Scratch if you want to use those.